here's what's hot, brought to you by JMMB Group, your best interest at heart. One Great Studio ended its first week of trading up 20%. The company listed and began trading on the junior market last Tuesday. The stock listed at its IPO price of $1 and ended the week at $1.20 with over 52 million shares trading. One Great Studio is the first Jamaican-owned digital marketing agency to list on the JSE and was the first IPO of the year. There's good news for thousands of SSL investors who are no longer in limbo, as some $7 billion in investments and funds at the firm are being unfrozen. According to the Minister of Finance, as of September 22, SSL began transferring clients' Jamaican dollar securities to other security dealers selected by clients. The minister said the process could take up to 6 weeks to complete because of the volume of client accounts. It also said that transferring US dollar securities will take longer because it will involve working with US regulators and US investment companies. Meanwhile, Finance Minister Dr Nigel Clarke said that taxpayers' dollars will no longer be needed to pay SSL's operating costs. Clarke explained that SSL received an insurance payout of $1 million, which will be used to cover the company's costs. The government had previously announced that it would be temporarily covering SSL's operating costs, such as staff salaries, while the fraud investigation was ongoing. However, the finance minister said an insurance claim was submitted by SSL's temporary manager and the payout is enough to cover the costs. The Venezuelan government last week lashed out at Guyana's latest offshore oil bidding round. Guyana started accepting offers from oil companies for 8 offshore blocks, which could have oil or gas deposits. However, the Venezuelan government says Guyana does not have sovereign rights over the areas and any oil activity must be done in agreement with Venezuela. Guyana and Venezuela have been locked in a dispute over their borders for decades, and the International Court of Justice is set to hand down judgment on the matter. What's Hot was brought to you by JMMB Group, your best interest at heart.